This is a small beginner friendly project I made for Godot beginners. So it just has a boat and some islands on the water. This is how it looks like. We just move the boat, we turn around, and that's all. So I'm gonna break down this whole project in this video, as well as its GitHub repository. This is its GitHub repo. uh, I'm gonna put the link in the description, and this is the whole tutorial. This is the whole tutorial on my website gameidea.org. You can just visit the website and the link will be on the top, at least today. So oops so uh, the project contains the environment, some islands that are basically just spheres if we look at them, and we have a plane with a shader applied on it to represent water. So that's all. We also have a boat. It is a scene in itself, and if we open the scene we just see that it is a mesh that I got from this link, poly.pizza, and it has a collision shape. Its type is character body 3D and a camera attached. So if we look at the script, we have some variables for both speed, acceleration, turn speed, and so on. We have our current speed. We have these variables for the bobbing animation. This is like the to and fro, left and right animation of the boat. So in each frame we check the inputs up, down, left, right, and based on the input we calculate our current speed. We also take the speed ratio for the turn calculation. So for example, if the boat is moving faster, our turns will be slower. If the boat is moving slower, our turns will be more sharper. So this speed ratio is used to calculate the turn speed. And finally, we apply the rotation if user has these inputs. Along with that, this is a hack to keep the boat on the surface of water. So position.y is always equals 0. Finally, we apply the velocity. It is basically uh, the forward vector of our boat, the local forward axis times the current speed. And finally, we apply the bobbing animation to the boat, and that's all. This is the whole script, and we have basically no other script. This is only board.gd, board.tscn, and the main scene. If you look at the shader, this is a really simple shader that applies some noise, Berlin noise, with a threshold on a solid color, and that's all. I hope you like the video. You can subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.